Okay, now we are going to the Salvation Army again in Gaithersburg. Is this going to be a
bust or a must?
We'll see. This cute little thing, except it's a little damaged. What? So cute. This one is $5.99. That is $8.99. Those are cute. Yeah. Oh, that base is pretty. $3.99. Can't really tell from the light. This is pretty. Oh, Marshall's. $1.99 each. This is so cute.
Look at this chickadee chick. That's you. A chick.
$1.99. Where's the free food?
It's me. Sigma.
That's cute. That'd be cute for oil. It's cute how they got everything color-coded. Purple, red, they had blue. Here's yellow. This is precious. That is, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's made in Portugal. $1.99. Looks like it's in good condition. Little acorns. I like that. I might have to grab that. That'd be cute in the winter time. In the fall. Oh, look at how precious these dishes are. $3.99. It's only 3 though. I don't know if these go with the basket. Basket's $3.99. Look at all of this is black. We've got some more blue. Look at how cute this. Ooh, these two go together. I don't know why. $3.99. They look like they'd be something. Oh, I think you hang them up. There's another one like it. Oh, these dishes are so pretty. I don't know what these are, but they're $1.99 each.
Julia, that's perfect for you. Julia, you should get this.
Can you stay?
Sorry.
That's a nice basket. It's not very heavy though. It's $5.99. This is a nice basket. $5.99. This is kind of cute, a magazine rack, but I don't know if anybody, I don't know what you would use it anymore for. Can you guys give me suggestions? $5.99.
We can put flowers in there.
Oh yeah, flowers would be cute on your front porch, like 2 little pots. That's a cute idea, Gabby.
Yeah.
Look at this cute little jewelry box.
The small one.
$3.99. That's a cute jewelry box too. Oh, that's cute. This is cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. How much was that? $1.99. I love pottery. $4.99. And this one is made by Greg. $3.99. When I see pottery that people make in these Goodwills, it makes me so sad. That's a nice pot too. It's $4.99. It's pretty heavy. If they all matched, I would take them all. Oh, I like these too. Trivets, $1.99. There's 2 of them. Oh, that's a cute little bowl. $5.99. And this one is $4.99. Also made by Greg. Look at that. That's cute. $5.99.
It's like a little pouch and you can put it.
I wonder whose mom that is.
Mary Poppins?
No. Okay, girls, we just came out of Salvation Army. What do you think? A bust or a must?
A must. You
Okay.
must come back. There's a lot of cute clothes.
Yeah, we'll definitely show you what we got in the car. Okay, Gabby, what did you get?
I got this sweatshirt.
Okay,
And
well, what does it say?
It says always and forever.
Uh-huh.
And it has like these, hold on, let me show you. These butterflies down the sleeve.
Aw, that's so cute.
And it's like,
We thought it was Hollister.
Yeah,
It's
it
like-
does give Hollister
It
vibes.
looks like, what do you guys think? Hollister or
Yeah.
not? But it's not.
Yeah, I think.
and it's like a little oversized.
Mhm.
And I really like it.
How much was it?
$5.99.
Okay, let me show you what I got too. That was a great deal. Okay, I got from the Salvation Army these Judy blue jeans, which they're size 18, but I'm a size 16, but I'm going to try to shrink them. Anyway, these are the Alexis jeans, and they've got the not the ruffle, but the ragged edges. Anyway, these jeans I just checked the website, they're normally $66, and I got them for $5.99. So this was not a bust. This definitely was a must. So I'm excited about it. I'm gonna try to shrink them, but nevertheless, they're still comfortable enough to wear.